for the Holley Moparty. But we made a pit stop in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge because they're actually having the rod run. So stay tuned and see what happens. Swept line 1, swept line 2. Oh, I love taking back roads. That's why I take back roads. Woo! Here at the Holley Moparty, walking through the swap meet right now. Hopefully we'll get to meet Derek and Dylan today. Stay tuned for Only Dodge Garage. I see that Ram Charger over there. Ooh. Look at that guy. That's a it's an Imperial. Look how big that Imperial is. Ooh, I see a swept line in the distance. I'm gonna check out this Ram Charger. Ooh, look at that Ram Charger. Ooh, I see all the trucks. I see the yellow Ram Charger. Ooh, look at this guy. Oh yeah. That's cool. Ooh, that's awesome. Ooh, I see all the trucks over there. We're going to be making our way to those trucks. Woo. This is crazy. So far, I'm loving the Holley Moparty. Only Dodge Garage. Ooh. Got another guy. Oh, got a Cherokee. Got a Duster. Oh, we got a Trail Duster. Ooh, Trail Duster. Oh, look at this guy. Ooh-wee. Ooh, it's got that tough steering wheel. Oh, it's got tires I want for Saul. Got a Ram Charger. Woo. Gonna head this way. There's some trucks I've seen. Of course, I can appreciate the cars, as always, but only Dodge Garage here loves her trucks. Oh, and it has a 440. It's a Ram Charger with a 440 in it. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Oh boy. How cool is that? Oh yeah. Love the seats. Ooh-wee. Loving that. Got a Venture 150. Of course, we got your little red Expresses. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, I love the patina on it. Oh, yeah. See, that's beautiful. I love all of that.
That's a cool story. Yep, it's here. That's a cool story.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
Yeah, but 25 weeks, it was a major. Oh, okay. It was a major change. Oh, okay. Okay. I thought they just got it running. Well, they also had one from Frank. That's a weak spot.
This guy. Big four-wheel drive truck with some lights. Our little red Express. You want to check out this swept line over here. Only Dodge Garage loves swept lines. Ooh, white with the red top. Ooh, 4-speed. That's different. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
You pulled the camper all right.
Oh, yeah. Well, so far, this has been a great show so far. Oh, look, there's another swept line. Gotta check this one out. Wow, look at the color on this one. Woo.
What year?
Oh, yeah. That's nice. Well, we're going to keep walking around. Stay tuned for more Only Dodge Garage at the Holley Moparty. Ooh. Ooh, sorry about that sun, everybody. It's bright out here today. It's a beautiful day for a car show. Woo. And they just keep coming in. Well, there's another little express over there in the distance. Thought that was crazy. There's a whole roller coaster. Yeah, that trail duster has the spare wheel carrier I'm needing for Sully. I'm trying to record and try not to get hit by a car at the same time. That's hard. Okay. Whew.
Okay, I can start it with the exhaust closed.
All right. What we got here? We got a Ram Charger, 80s model. Loving that. Oh, there's a big old swept line over here. Go this way. We'll check out this early 90s 150.
That's good.
Whew. Nice. Got a 78 Little Red Express. Look at that crazy swept line. Look at Power Wagon. And it's a short bed. What? That's insane. Isn't that crazy? Woo. That's a big old truck. Ooh. Oh, and it has a dash shifter. I love my swept lines with dash shifters. That's crazy. Kind of like how they did the tailgate. All right, let's see what else we can do at the Holley Moparty. Stay tuned for more Only Dodge Garage. Ooh, it's an orange trail duster. Look at this. That's so cool. Ooh, that's nice. See, that's literally the size. That's literally perfect. Ooh, that's perfect. This is a great show. I'm loving it. Found another swept line, short bed. Big block. What? Nice. That's a cool one. 70 or 71. One over there. I can tell you if it's 70 or 71 by the tailgate. Can y'all tell me if this is a 70 or 71? So in 71, they stopped stamping Dodge on the tailgate. So I know y'all probably already knew that, but let's see if we can find some more trucks. Stay tuned. Look at this thing. Whoa. Whoa. It's a Warlock with some stacks. Isn't that crazy? Ooh, look at that tailgate. Ooh. That's cool. There's so much stuff. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. And we're just getting started. This is probably going to be an all-day thing. Hopefully we can meet Derek and Dylan. Let's stay tuned. Got another tin grill, long bed, and it's black. Or is that brown? We're going to say black. I don't like that. Got that red interior. I like it. Oh, it's missing the ram's head. But it's okay. I still think it's cool. Got another Dodge truck, Utiline, 64. Ton of cars. Gonna make our way down here. Ooh, yeah, those people down there in the shade, they got the right idea. Wow, look how shiny this truck is. What? Wow, I didn't even know you could even get the bezels like that chromed. That's pretty cool. I think there's a website that does all that. Ooh. Big block. It's got a big block. 413. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, I bet this truck sounds good. All right. Woohoo! Here we go. action. A little GTX action. Woo. I hear a bunch of burnouts and donuts and... Alright, let's see what else we can find.
That does look a lot like solid donut. That's crazy.
Wow, look at this guy. Look at that thing. That is crazy. And there's a freaking, oh my god. Look at all of this. That's wild. Look at that thing. What in the world? Oh. I think it's got a Cummins in it. Wow, that's crazy. That's one for Joseph. Oh, and it's a dually. What? That's very unusual. It's got them cab lights. Comment down below if y'all like cab lights. I'm not a big fan of them, but I know a lot of people are. Ooh, got another one. Club cab. That is a nice truck. Ooh, I love the patina on the roof. Sorry, I'm short. I can't get all the way up there. Ooh, nice interior. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. That's a cool rig there.
He's working on it.
I think it looks awesome.
He just had it about 2 months now.
Oh, okay. All right, let's see what else we can find. It's Dylan freaking McCool. It's Dylan freaking McCool. Okay, we're gonna panic. I'm trying not to panic. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's go talk to Dylan. Ready to go talk to Dylan?
Yes.
Oh boy, here we go.
Demon.
Yeah, it's got a demon in it. That's crazy. All right. Oh, what we got here? Ooh, Ram Charger. Nice. Ooh, nice seats. Ooh. And there's the Vice Grip garage tent with a long line. There's Derek and Jessica. Oh, look. I know. There's his van.
Now, we don't do the track often for street cars. Hemi events, street cars tend to do this thing called dead hooking, and on factory components, even some of the
There's a guy and a girl in there. That's awesome. All right, let's get in line. Oh, what in the world is this thing? All right, it's got Lamborghini doors.
Lamborghini?
That's a Lamborghini panel wagon. But we got to meet Derek and Jessica from Vice Grip, and they are awesome. Couldn't really record or anything. He had a whole line, and he still got a line. I didn't want to be rude and talk forever. But they are great people. Got to meet Dylan McCool, and he is awesome. Thankfully got to talk to him for a little bit. But this is definitely one for the books. Only Dodge Garage made it to the Holley Moparty 2025. Please keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing for more Only Dodge Garage. It's a dude. It's a dude. It's a dude. He's hitting the front, but it's okay. But look, everybody. Look, it's a dude. It's a freaking dude. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a 71 dude. Look at him. He's beautiful. Oh, I'm panicking right now. Oh, that's so amazing. I've never actually got to see one in person. Look at him. Oh, I know everybody that loves swept lines. They know about the dude. They know the great Don Knotts. Oh, well, this has made my whole trip. It's a 71 dude. I love it. Only Dodge Garage. I finally got to see a dude. Yes!
I apologize, Bocher's family. Tommy Bocher has been lapped. The aero package did not work on the Bocher's van.
Oh.
So, okay, yeah, still on the lead lap. Right now leading is Tyler Spear. Took over the lead from Derek Fieri. Also on the lead lap in third place is Dylan McCool. Fourth quick right now is Tom Bailey. Daryl Reese is in fifth. Tommy Bocher's 1 lap down. Kerry Strange, 1 lap down. Jason Allstock, 2 laps down. David Kruk is out in the middle, and Thomas West is out in the middle. We're down to 8 cars here in the Vandemonium. We are on lap number 7. Kerry, go! They're catching you! Everybody, go, Kerry, go! Yep, that's my wife. I guarantee you. It's a good thing we didn't like Mike, some of these people. We'd have to be bleeping these guys out. So Thomas West out there in the cab. He is out of the race. He is, again, renegade performance. Those guys put the cages and everything in them. So right now we got Dylan McCool has came around and took over the lead.
Woo!
They're going pretty fast out there. We got Tyler Spear. He's been over 200 mile an hour on water with nitro. Derek Fieri in third, holding strong for the Vice Grip Garage crew. Daryl Reese is in fourth. The 99 car is starting to tick a little bit. He's a couple laps down of Jason Oswald. They're getting lapped again. We are lap 10 right now. Dylan McCool and Tyler Spear, not only nitro boats, he's raced ARCA. He knows the corners. He knows how to make things run that are supposed to turn fast. Tyler Spear taking, oh no, that's not, he's still in second, sorry. Trouble with the Tommy Bocher Superbird out there. He's slowing down. Tommy's from Pulaski, Tennessee. This is the first time he's ever seen asphalt. I live down there. We don't have, well, we seriously do. Dylan McCool is still your leader in the 43. Number 47, Tyler Spear is in second. The 13, Lucky 13, Derek Fieri of Vice Grip Garage is in third. Daryl Reese, number 50, is in fourth. Tom Bailey's in fifth. Number 57, the Sick Magazine vehicle. Tommy Bocher, 747, is in sixth. Kerry Strange, the Pink Flame. I flamed that 2 nights ago in the campground with rattle cans at 11:30. She is number 7 in 7th place. Jason Allstock, number 99, is 8th. David Kruk is in the infield. He is your reigning grand champion, the autocrossers and drag races, his Mopar here at Moparty. Thomas West is also sitting out there. They're instructed, if you're sitting in there, to stay buckled up, just in case a car loses its steering. They're still buckled up in their full race suits and their helmets on. They're lapping. Who are they lapping out there? So that car going into turn 1 is the one with the tennis balls and the football and the suspension. This is lap 15. We are going to stop them. So, okay, we're going to pack them up, and we're going to flip a quarter. We're going to say where they are right now. So sitting in first place so far after halfway is Dylan McCool, number 43. Number 47, second place is Tyler Spear. Lucky number 13 from Vice Grip Garage, sitting on the podium right now. In third place, Derek Bieri. Sitting in fourth is number 50, Daryl Reese. Fifth is number 57, Tom Bailey. Sixth, number 747 in the Superbird van is Tommy Boschers. Seventh is Carrie Strange, the lone chick out there. Sitting eighth is number 99, Jason Allstock. Out of the race is number 70, David Crook, and 88, Thomas West. So that's how they sit right now. I'm going to flip this coin. Give it man's heads up. Raise your hand if you married a chick with low standards. Raise your hand if you're a wife and you haven't told him that you have low standards. Yeah, we know. There's 5 of you out there. So we're getting ready. Did you invert the field here? We got 15 laps to finish the night. Sevens is overheating.
That's gonna be a long video. Please don't send to my phone.
He thinks she's burning incense in the van. Sherry thinks there's something trying to get out of the motor. I don't know if we checked the fluids in any of these vans. So I don't know actually who's leading there because they'll flip once we hit the scoring after 1 lap. Carrie takes off with the rocket. The smoke is starting. She's pretending she's James Bond 007. She's putting out a smoke show. Behind her, Tom Bailey is just shake and baked her, and this whole shot it around. Bailey is taking off. He is a drag week champion. He does sick drag week. He just got the Bonneville 200-mile-an-hour club, and he is off like a rocket. I think he sandbagged and waited because he thought we were going to invert the field. So Tom Bailey, number 57, is checking out. That car is the cleanest van. He said it's going on Marketplace in Detroit next week, saying grandma drove, all single owner, only drove in circles. Dylan McCool is in second. Tyler Spear is in third. Derek Bieri. Daryl Reese is in second. Dylan McCool third. Fourth is Derek Bieri. We got a lot of tires squealing mercy over there. We got 3 wide on the back straight. What did we lose? Did we lose the tire? What is over there? Is that a bumper cover? We lost the bumper cover. Dylan McCool is leading. We're on lap 17 of 30. Daryl Reese is in second. Tyler Spear third. Derek Bieri fourth. Tom Bailey. What happened to Tom?
I was waiting for half track, but I couldn't find it because it was somewhere in the back.
Somewhere in the back. So what other cool driving things have you done in your career?
This is probably the most legit one I've ever done.
That sounds really sketchy. That the Vandemonium was the most legit driving.
Usually just cut donuts.
What, have you raced donkeys in Tijuana?
I mean, you know, if they cut donuts, I'll do it, right?
Tell everybody where I can find you on social media.
Just look up Dylan McCool. You'll find me anywhere. I got to thank my sweet wife for putting up with this and letting me do this. My parents for helping me. I love my kids out there. Briar, thank you for helping me. My crew chief and the Lord Jesus Christ for keeping me safe during this race. Thank y'all so much for coming out.
I have one more question for you. Did you eat a lot of paint chips as a kid?
I don't know. Ask my mom. I wasn't there.
He ate a lot of paint chips. I was still lead-based. Dylan McCool!